Hey, what's going on, guys? Deskclaw69 here, and today we got a special review. Today we got the special polos, baby. Well, anyways, the real review. The Air Jordan 1 center court in all white, baby. Right away, I mean, these look like some Calvin Klein's, Alexander McQueen's, Project Commons, or whatever they're called. Could you even tell? Maybe from this. On the tongue, Air Jordan embossed, or what is it? Whatever it's called, on the leather. Air Jordan. Got the wings in the back, the Air 1 logo. Heat pressed, or I don't know, whatever they do. Got the wings. And that's it. That's all the on Nike on the bottom, but that's all the logo and labeling there is on them. On the inside, you can barely see it. Let me see if I can get in the light. On the inside, you got the Zoom Air, and that's pretty much it. You can see they're all white, except for the light gray leather on the tongue and on the back. You got the wing logos stitching right here. You know, just a nice classy shoe you can wear out without being judged. Wearing Jordans, because, you know, Team Jordan, Team Nike in the build. Let's look at the other one. Let's see what else is inside the box. Inside the box is the other one. Another nice shoe. I don't really know too much about it, the backstory, why they made these or anything like that. Didn't really look, you know, other than they're just kind of like ones. That's pretty much all that comes in the box. Let's get it out of the way. Just a nice shoe you can say you dressed up in and still be wearing Jordans. I'll let y'all know on the comfort level. I haven't even tried them on yet. You know what they look like on feet. You already know these are gonna be easy to rock with anything, so anything dressy. Jeans, khakis, chinos, cargos. I don't know about cargos actually, or joggers. Might look weird. I mean, maybe y'all can pull it off. Send pictures. Comment down below if you got them. Let me know what you think about them. But anyways, let's get to what they look like on feet, because all that can be said about these has been said. Maybe, not maybe, but I mean, not many details on it. Just a nice, clean, fancy looking shoe. Quick little detail I noticed as I was putting them on. Like I said, I hadn't put them on yet. Signature Michael Jordan on the tongue. Pretty cool. Can you see it? Focus. Kind of hard. Air zoom air. And on the other one, I'm guessing his fingerprint. Kind of cool. You can tell from the details. It kind of doesn't look like a fingerprint, but it kind of does. I don't know. Anyways, let's get to what they look like on feet. All right. This is what they look like on feet. Can you even see in the camera? Yeah, you can. You know, nice looking shoes with jeans. Some skinny jeans. Got them with the laces hid or them tied up. You can go up one more hole. The knot does look kind of big. The laces, pretty nice. Kind of scared to wear them too long with the jeans. It might stain the tongue or the edges, but you know that happens all the time with white shoes. Wipe it right off. Kind of scared to even grab the tongue because it's real clean. But there you got them. Wear these with shorts. You know, jean shorts are making a comeback. And a dress shirt, short sleeve, whatever. But here you got it. Comfort level. I feel like I'm wearing Vans, maybe. Not kind of hard. Not that bad. Vans or Converse. Anyways, gentlemen, fellas. Yeah, I said gentlemen and fellas. Thanks for watching. Because according to YouTube statistics, 100% of males watch my videos. It's only 100. I don't think I have any female watchers yet. It's gonna be groundbreaking when I do. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about these bad boys right here. Shoot, boy. Let me know what y'all think about them. In the comments down below, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment a lot, spam me. Let me know what y'all think. Did you cop or not? I like them. Nice dress shoes. Gonna be rocking them when I have to dress up. Ladies, watch me please. I don't have any lady viewers. I do have a few lady shoes. I don't understand. Y'all are fake. But yeah, subscribe.